friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you a makeup look using the new fall products. Well, hello friends. If you are excited for warm, cozy sweaters, pumpkin spice everything, and to see the new fall products, then give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. So we are going to do a makeup look using all the new fall products that just came out. But before I go into that, let's talk about skincare. So I already washed my face, and now I'm going to be using this pink clay mask that just came out. So I'm going to put my hair in this cute little bow headband. So if you want to learn how to get a headband like this, go talk to your Mary Kay consultant. If you don't have a consultant, my information is all the way down in the description, so go check that out. Okay, so this pink clay mask, so I'm actually going to use my mask applicator to apply, and this, so I'm going to put it on like this, and I'm going to just apply it all over. And as you can see, it's like super light pink. Let me get my mirror out. So this pink mask is going to reveal clean skin and a natural glow, and it helps revive dull, fatigued skin in about 10 minutes. So you apply this and it will soak up and dry in about 10 minutes. So this is kind of like a mixture between our charcoal mask and our renewing gel mask, which is really cool. And this has floral infused notes of dewy, peony, and tea blossom. This also has plummery extract, which is known to have an antioxidant to protect against free radicals, which is the stuff in the air that can damage the skin. So this is obviously a pink clay mask, so it has minerals of a clay mask, and it's going to absorb oils in the skin. So it's kind of like the charcoal mask where it's clay, it's going to absorb oils, but it also has moisturizing properties to help renew your moisture levels and help to moisturize the skin as well. So this is kind of cool because it kind of gives you best of both worlds. And I'm just going to apply it all over. So once you apply it, you wait about 10 minutes until it's fully dry, and then you'll wash it off and then finish your skincare routine. Okay, so the mask has dried, and as you can see, it's like all dry and cracking, and you can see it pulling up some of the oils in my skin. I don't have much oils, but if you have oils, it'll pull up the oils. So I'm gonna wash this off with a washcloth. Alright, and then I'm going to dry my face and do the rest of my skincare, and then we'll get started with our makeup look. So the fall products have a jewel tone theme to them. So they all have like a lot of sparkle and glam. It's going to be great. I am very excited to try these. So first I'm going to put my eye primer on. So I'm just going to take a little bit and dab it everywhere. And the first fall product I want to talk about are these amazing liquid eyeshadows. So typically the liquid eyeshadows don't need eye primer, but I think they work slightly better with the eye primer on, so that's why I did that. But look at these beauties. Aren't they fabulous? So we have Graphite, which is this silvery gray sparkly color, and then we have Amethyst, which if you are someone who knows a lot about gems, you know what amethyst is. This is this pink sparkly color. So these are lightweight gel-based eyeshadows. They glide on super smoothly. They have high impact metallic shimmer. They are non-gritty, so just because they have a lot of shimmer doesn't mean they're gritty. They are actually very smooth, but they have metallic pearl pigment that gives it a lot of dimension. So I'm actually going to see if I can do both these colors on me right now. So I haven't actually used these yet. I'm very excited to try them out. So I'm going to do Graphite in the corner and then the Amethyst in the center. So I'm just going to do like a dual color look. So let's try the Graphite over here. Okay, so you can see that it's already super shimmery. I'm very excited about these. Mary Kay doesn't usually have super shimmery eyeshadow colors, except for like their limited edition stuff. So I'm super excited that these came out. And now I'm going to do the amethyst in the inner corner, and then I'll probably take a regular line liquid eyeshadow to do the highlight. Okay, so the amethyst isn't as pink on the lids as it looks like in the bottle, but it's like a light pink shimmer to it. It looks almost like a gold, like a rose gold, I think. I'm gonna take the light beam from the normal line and kind of give it some highlight up here. So the awesome thing about the liquid eyeshadows is that you can use your fingers to blend, or the cream color brush is easy to blend with as well. So these are the eyes. So this was actually super easy to do because all I had to do was put a few dots and blend it out with my fingers, and it's a lot quicker to do than a normal mineral color eyeshadow look. So if you're looking for a super glam look but like with like less time, then the liquid eyeshadows are definitely a way to go. I am slightly obsessed and I haven't even used these that much. So alright, so let's put on my liquid eyeliner. So this is the liquid eyeliner pen. This is just a normal line product. Okay, I am already obsessed with this look and we haven't even gotten to the rest of it yet. So let's do the foundation. So I'm going to do my foundation primer with the SPF 15 in it. And then, of course, before I go into my foundation, I'm going to do my color correcting sticks. So I have the Wipe Red and Digital. So the green one is to wipe away redness in areas that I feel red in. And the purple one is the Digital. So I have super dry skin, and I always feel like my skin is super dull. So as you can see, this one's like almost gone. So it's fine. Blend that out with my beauty blender. And then I'm going to take my Luminous Wear foundation, my favorite foundation, and I'm going to do the rest of my face. Okay, so before I finish my face makeup, I want to talk about another fall product, and that is the new metallic nail polishes. So we haven't come out with nail polishes since before I became a consultant, and I am very excited to try these out. So these have a metallic shimmer. So there's rose quartz, so it's super pretty pink color, and then there is emerald, so a green color, which would match my hair a little bit, so I might do that. So these are non-gritty metallic shimmery colors, and I'm actually going to be doing a nail care video using these nail polishes, so make sure you subscribe so that you can see when that comes out. And I'm going to be talking about everything you need to know about nail care and getting your nails super awesome so that they grow stronger and you are able to have your nail polish last longer. And I'm going to be using those nail polishes. I might use a Color Street overlay, so it's going to be super exciting. Make sure you go check that out. Okay, so let's finish the face. So I have my contour highlighting sticks, and this one is in rose gold. So I'm going to put that here and here. And then I have the Sculpt One contouring stick, which works perfectly for me. I love, love, love this contouring stick. It's just so easy to use. And I'm actually going to use my liquid foundation brush to blend this out because my foundation is already on there. So it kind of helps blend it out a little bit better. And now I'm going to use my blush duo stick, and I'm going to use the blush on this side for my blush. And last thing before I do my brows and set my face is using my under eye corrector. I love this thing so much. So it has peach undertones to help counteract the dark circles under the eye. Okay, so before we move into my brows, I want to share another fall product with you that is the scented body wash, gel, and lotion. So there is 2 sets of these, and the one is apple and almond scented. So it comes with a shower gel and the lotion. And then the other one is a berry and vanilla. So these are actually all sold separately, but obviously, why wouldn't you want the lotion with the body wash? So these are, so the body washes are a foamy, bubbly blend, and the lotions are easily spreadable, and they smell amazing, super awesome for holiday gifts coming up. So make sure you check them out and get them before it's too late. I think these are actually going to be staying on the full line, so I'm very, very excited about that, because we don't have too many body sets, and I love when they bring out more body sets. And speaking of the fall products, if you would like to try some of these fall products, we have a few events coming up in our Ultimate Home Pampering group, and we're going to be doing a few different events. So we're going to be doing a fall makeover event, so we'll be trying the makeup products that I'm using on my face right now, and then we will be doing a spa event to try out the new body washes and lotions. And then we will also be doing a spectacular masking party, so we will also be trying the clay mask in that session as well. So if you'd like to register for these events, go down below in the description, and I will list all of the events that are coming up. They have a certain deadline, so if for some reason you can't get into it, the deadline has closed, but just go check out the other ones. And I will link future events on there as well in case those events are already filled. Okay, so let's continue with the brows. So I'm going to be using the Precision Brow Liner in Brunette, and I'm just going to brush this out. Now we're going to finish it off with my translucent loose powder. I love this stuff because it is a clear powder and I don't have to match it to my skin type, which is awesome if you tan a lot in the summer like I do and have to switch foundations. Okay, so the next fall product I want to talk about is these new highlighters. They are super, super pretty. So they have Canary Diamond and Rose Sapphire, which I'm going to use the rose one because I think it's super pretty. So this is a silky, light reflecting powder, so there's no grit, and it has a luminescent pearl shimmer to help capture the light for the right amount of sparkle. So I'm going to take my cheek color brush and I'm going to highlight right here. These colors are super pretty, and I think this Rose Sapphire and the Amethyst go really, really well together. And I'm excited to try the Canary Diamond in another look. So make sure you check out all my makeup tutorials up there to see that in the future. And we're going to finish with mascara and lipstick. So I'm going to do my triple threat mascara that I always do. So I'm going to first use my lash primer, which is super awesome because it helps my mascara look way better and go on better, and it thickens and lengthens my lashes underneath. And then I use different mascaras all the time, but I'm going to use the Ultimate Mascara for my first coat. And then I'm going to do 2 coats of the Lash Love Panorama. This is my favorite mascara right now, and they were a limited edition, so they're not technically available still, but I think a lot of consultants still have them. And then onto the lips, I'm going to use my nude lip liner to line them. Okay, so now let's talk about the new sparkle lipsticks. I'm very, very, very excited about these. So there is Sunsewn, which is this super, super pretty nude color. So it's almost like a nude with sparkles. And then it's like a beige nude with sparkles. And then my favorite, which is this ruby, it literally looks like the slippers from Wizard of Oz. So I'm actually going to use this one because it's my favorite. So that's the ruby on. I love this lip color. It's so fun. It kind of matches my sweater. It's fantastic. I'm obsessed with it. So the awesome thing about this lipstick is that it has a star-like pigment, and even though it's super sparkly, it is not gritty, and it's like kind of moisturizing as well. I don't know how they do it. They always make all their lipsticks super moisturizing, so if you have super dry lips like I do, it's like, doesn't even matter because their lipsticks are always super moisturizing. So it has an ultra reflective high shine pearl that shimmers and gives it dimension. I'm just super obsessed with this lipstick. And then one last thing I want to show you from the collection is the pouch. So it's almost like a gem kind of pattern on it, and it fits all of the new products in there. So like literally everything can fit in there. It's fantastic. So all that can go in there. And this is actually only $5 when you purchase $50 or more from your consultant of the new fall products. So let's finish my look off with some finishing spray. And there you have it. Let me take this off, and my hair is all crazy now. So there is the look, you guys. I hope you like it. I'm super obsessed with shimmery, sparkle, glittery colors, and I am very excited for all these. They are limited edition. Most of the stuff is limited edition, so make sure you ask your consultants about it before they run out. I know that some stuff has run out like literally the first day. If you want to try these products, make sure you check out the events below, because there is a deadline to register for each event before the new events come up. And if you like this video, let me know down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos every Thursday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.